This is a tutorial on how to upgrade RAM and your C drive on your laptop. First, we'll start off with downloading Disk Genius. Go to your desired search engine and search diskgenius.com. Click Free Download and set up the application. Start up Disk Genius. Now make sure you have your SSD to USB converter ready and plugged in, and you can see both the C drive and your new empty drive. Go to Tools at the top left and click Tools, and from there click Clone Disk. Now make sure you click the disk you want to clone and the target disk as in the empty one. Don't click Boot from USB. Click Start and click Hot Migration and wait 20 to 30 minutes. Now go to PowerShell and run as administrator and type the two commands MemoryChip get. MemoryChip get part number and click Enter after each one. Once you do, you will get the maker of your RAM and the megahertz, and if you have 1 or 2 RAM cards currently in your laptop. Once you do both commands, take the part number and the maker's name and put it in Google and search for your current RAM specs so you know what RAM to get when upgrading. Now that you've cloned your C drive to your new drive and are ready to upgrade your RAM, I recommend Precise Screwdriver set to help in this process of taking apart your computer. Make sure you have all the screws in a safe place and plastic prying tool to help you. Once you successfully installed your new laptop upgrades, put it back together and clean it off before you turn it on. Once you turn it on, press F2 on the keyboard to enter BIOS and make sure the installed upgrades are recognized. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit. Thanks for watching this tutorial.